Now at 11, a judge ruled in favor of Ohio University and against a family seeking damages in their son's hazing death. Collin Wiant died in 2018 in a hazing incident. Today's surprise ruling came just days before it was supposed to go to trial. 10 TV's Carly Dion talked with the family attorney earlier today, who says he was shocked by the decision.
Every other case we've had in the hazing world, universities have stepped up and taken responsibility.
Trial lawyer Rex Elliott says he's covered more than a dozen hazing cases over the last 10 years. But in Collin Wiant's case, he's shocked Ohio University refuses to take responsibility for what happened.
In this case, the active members that participated in this hazing accepted responsibility. So did the Sigma Pi National Fraternity. The only party that didn't accept responsibility was Ohio University.
In November of 2018, 18-year-old Collin Wiant was a freshman at OU and a Sigma Pi fraternity pledge. One night, he received a text saying to meet at an apartment home to several Sigma Pi brothers. As he left a bar, he told a friend unaffiliated with the frat he believed he was about to be hazed.
So one of the hazing aspects is that they were on call 24/7. So if an active member called and told them to do something, they had to do it. It didn't matter if it's 3:30 in the morning or if they're in class.
At the apartment that night, 100 canisters of nitrous oxide purchased by one of the fraternity brothers. Court documents state those in the room with Collin claim no one forced, coerced, or otherwise instructed him to take the drug, commonly known as a whippet. Shortly after taking it, documents state he was gasping for air. An ambulance was called and he was taken to a hospital where he died. The Athens County Coroner's Office determined his cause of death to be asphyxiation due to nitrous oxide ingestion. 7 students from Sigma Pi fraternity pleaded guilty in the criminal case, and the family was hoping the civil case would go the same way.
This family has lost their child. It's a tragic and terrible situation for them. In the last couple of weeks, the last thing any family wants to do is go through a trial, but they had mentally got themselves ready for a trial.
A trial that will no longer happen after a judge's ruling Thursday afternoon. Ohio University's defense claimed the school actively enforced a hazing policy at the time of Collin's death, and the plaintiffs are unable to prove the university knew or should have known that Sigma Pi was hazing Collin.
It's a joke. For 5 years, they had complaints indicating there was hazing going on in this particular chapter.
Elliott says not enough was done to look into those claims. His bottom line, the university doesn't do enough to protect these vulnerable students.
OU simply had a hazing policy, told people to follow it, and then they looked the other way. That's exactly what happened here.
Well, that was Carly Dion reporting. Now, Ohio University issued a statement saying it is pleased with the judge's decision. Elliott says they'll be filing a notice of appeal within the next couple of weeks, but he expects it to take 9 months to a year before any decisions are made.